The AI world is moving faster than ever, and a new tool called MaltBot is suddenly everywhere. Some people are calling it the future of automation, others are questioning the hype. So what exactly is MaltBot? Is it truly revolutionary or just another overhyped AI tool? Let's break it down. First, understand this. There is a huge difference between AI tools and AI agents. Most AI applications today can generate text, write code, summarize documents, or answer questions. But they don't actually do things. They respond. They don't act. That's where AI agents come in. An AI agent is created when a language model is connected to tools such as a browser, file system, APIs, or automation workflows. Think of it like this. The language model is the brain. The tools are the hands. When both work together, the system stops being just smart and starts becoming capable. Capable of executing tasks, capable of automation, capable of working independently. Now here's where MaltBot enters the picture. Building AI agents usually requires effort, sometimes coding, sometimes complex no-code platforms. Either way, there is always a setup process. But MaltBot changes that. Instead of building agents step by step, you can generate them directly with a prompt. Yes, describe what you want and the agent gets created. Now this idea is not completely new. Prompt-based agent builders already exist. So why is MaltBot suddenly going viral? The answer is simple: accessibility. Most platforms require users to visit a website, configure the agent, and deploy it inside that ecosystem. MaltBot takes a very different approach. Once installed and configured, it allows agents to run directly from everyday chat apps, WhatsApp, Telegram, and similar messaging interfaces. No switching dashboards, no complicated UI. Just send a message and the agent executes. Imagine sending a message like, "Remind me tomorrow at 2 p.m. to submit the report." Behind the scenes, the agent automatically creates a scheduled task, executes it, and triggers the reminder at the exact time. No manual setup, no automation tools, just one message. But it gets more interesting. MaltBot comes with built-in tool access. It can control a browser, execute commands, search the web, automate workflows, and importantly, it can do this without constant supervision. This is where AI starts feeling less like software and more like a digital assistant. Another major reason for the excitement? Local deployment. Unlike many AI platforms that send data to cloud servers, MaltBot can run directly on a local machine. That means more privacy, greater control, and reduced data exposure. For many users, that alone is a huge advantage. And then comes the cost factor. Because it runs locally, it can connect to local language models. For example, models like Meta's Llama can be deployed on a machine and linked through a local URL. The result? Near zero operating cost. Of course, external APIs from providers like OpenAI, Anthropic, or Google can still be connected if higher performance is needed. But the flexibility is what makes this powerful. So where does this actually help? Daily automation is the biggest use case. For example, an agent can continuously search for job openings that match specific skills. And when it finds one, it can open the application page, fill in saved details, and submit the form automatically. No repeated effort, no manual tracking, just automation running in the background. Now the important question, does MaltBot deserve all the hype? Not entirely. Here's why. Most of these capabilities are already possible. Developers can build even more flexible agents from scratch. At the enterprise level, companies will almost always prefer custom-built systems tailored to their workflows. So this tool alone is unlikely to redefine the job market. However, for individuals, freelancers, small teams, and agencies, this can be extremely useful. It enables low-cost automation without heavy infrastructure. It can even become a service offering, building automation systems for clients. So while it may not create entirely new job categories, it absolutely lowers the barrier to entry. But the biggest lesson here is not about MaltBot. It's about the speed of the AI industry. Just 1 year ago, building agents was considered complex. Today, agents can be generated from prompts. That is a massive shift, and it signals where the future is heading, toward autonomous systems, toward minimal human intervention, toward AI that executes, not just responds. There is another important reminder. Don't get carried away by hype. The AI space moves fast, and headlines can be misleading. Always verify sources. Always research tools. Always test before trusting. There have already been cases where naming confusion led users toward fake repositories and scams, causing real financial losses. Excitement should never replace caution. So what's the smart approach? Stay updated, but more importantly, stay hands-on. Experiment with new tools, because real understanding doesn't come from watching trends, it comes from using the technology. The future of productivity will belong to those who learn automation early, and tools like MaltBot are a glimpse of that future. AI is no longer just assisting humans, it is starting to work for them, and this shift is only getting started.